to another brand new video, and today I have explained the Lego gun P12 and the Benton Omniverse Mad Benton. So I will explain the Lego gun P12 2.0. I like the rubber bands, I like the details, I like the making of mine. So let's test it. Like that, and slide this here. Slide it and let go. See? Then you have some extra bullets here. And the Jago and the Lego is working together to stick, because they're just like Lego bricks like that. And then now let's go with my favorite. The Mad Ben 10, guys, from Omniverse. I just cut this thing. It's too many, so let's put it on. I'm watching Rusty Ribbits. So this is it. So I have to go like this. So the glue dry now. It's a normal glue only. I use a box of donut. Put it like this. Put it like that. There he is. Just, I don't have the ring. Press this thing. Then make sure you do it.
The spotlights were so powerful, they kind of used up all the power in the city.
Oh, I never should have taken off just before dark. I was too excited to fly and won't even think.
Put that and then smash.
At least nothing else can go wrong. Hey, Rusty, the red light on the dashboard.
That wouldn't be the running out of gas light, would it? Yeah.
So that's it. Then I just put the box in spikes. So that's okay. So thank you guys for watching. I explained the Ben 10 Mad Ben 10. So that's it. I'll just explain it for a little bit. So the Mad Ben 10, I just colored the black string fishing rod and rubber bands. The rubber bands so cool. The marker is so cool that it helped. So the glue stay. I just use normal glue to stick this, and then I put in the sun and I dry it. So that's my explaining. So goodbye.